Hey, what's up everyone, it's artist BBG and today we're going to be learning how to draw realistic eye. So this is going to be a tutorial on how to draw a realistic eye. So please subscribe, like, share, okay? And first of all, thank you guys so much for 36 subscribers here. 4 more subscribers, near to 40. So please subscribe and share with your drawing buddies. Okay, without further ado, let's get started. So I have drawn this sketch and I'm improving the eyelashes right now.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
So guys, I am now drawing the eyelids and shading it.
What's left? The storms we chase and leave.
As you guys can see, I am drawing the eyebrows. I have already made the rough shape of the eyebrows, and you have to always draw the eyebrows in the direction of the reference photo.
Through the wastelands.
I am shading the eyelid and making a good effect and shading a little bit around it as well so that I can get the skin effect, and I am blending it with a cotton bud.
The highways and on we'll go.
Now guys, I am adding highlights with Tombo Mono Zero Eraser. Now I am shading the pupil. I am going to use 8B, 6B pencils, one cotton bud for blending, and also a mechanical pencil. I am using mechanical pencil because the pupil is very small and I am going to be shading it with a mechanical pencil.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No,
I have used Tombo Mono Zero Eraser for the highlights in the pupil as well.
in around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on